like this train station so much. This is Sunny Bay Station. It's so fantastic. Take a look. Okay, so we're going to take the purple line, which is West Rail line. We're going to go back to Hong Ham. Hong Ham, we go back to Kowloon Tong. In Kowloon Tong, we go home. Okay? Is that okay? Daryl, is that okay? Is that okay, Daryl? Agree, eh? So we are not taking the airport because we already went to the airport last week. Why should we go with the Airport Express? It's so boring. Now this will take us back. So we will go in gate number 4. This will take us back to Hong Kong.